if there is or was life on Mars. It probably evolved very early in the planet's history, when Mars still had a magnetic field shielding it from harmful space radiation.
The evidence that Mars used to have a magnetic field lies in the crustal rocks. Most of the crustal rocks have a magnetic field frozen in when they solidify.
These magnetic rocks, scattered across the red planet, give Mars its own version of Earth's northern lights, as discovered in 2008, although it may not register as visible light to human eyes.
On Earth, when charged particles from the sun get trapped in Earth's field lines and smack into the atmosphere, they cause the atmosphere to gain energy and then emit a glow. The European spacecraft Mars Express recently detected aurora on Mars. And what's actually happening there is that there are charged particles streaming down magnetic field lines being made by remnant magnetization in the crust.
But how did Mars lose its magnetic field? One theory, a little less than 4 billion years ago, as Mars cools, its molten iron core solidifies and stops turning.
The motions within the core weren't sufficient to generate an electric current producing a magnetic field.
But there is also a faster and far more violent hypothesis.
Another more recent idea that's pretty controversial is that Mars had one or more fairly large moons that were actually captured satellites. And those moons tidally heated the interior and kept it molten, allowing currents to be generated and thus producing a magnetic field. Now, if 500 million years after Mars's formation, those moons crashed into the planet, that could have destroyed the magnetic field.
For most scientists, the pieces of the impact theory don't fit. Could satellites large enough to do such damage lose enough inertial energy to be captured in the first place?
This idea that Mars had moons that crashed into it within the first 500 million years is pretty unlikely, but it's not completely impossible.